Farhan, we have been discussing a lot of conjunctions
Yes, sir.
for the last 5 or 4 days.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you define the word conjunction?
Sir, a conjunction is a word which joins two sentences. Where basically
Only
there are
sentences or there can be clauses, words?
there are many type of conjunctions. For example, coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunctions. So a coordinating conjunction is a conjunction. If there is a sentence having two dependent clauses, then the conjunction will appear only in between.
Okay, can you give me some examples of coordinating conjunctions?
Okay, sir. There are example and. And is used for joining two sentences. For example, he is my colleague and my friend.
Okay, you are combining two words.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me some coordinating conjunctions, like what they are? Is there any trick to learn them?
Sir, I don't think.
There was a trick.
Sir, there is a trick. Fan voice.
Fanboys. Can you explain
it
what
refers
are
as-
fanboys?
Fan voice is F. F is used for.
And A,
And
N, B, Y, O,
or
Y,
Yet.
and S.
So.
Okay. मेरी माँ ने मुझे डांटा इसलिए मैंने घर छोड़ दिया. What are you going to use?
My mother scolded me and I left.
So Leila.
So I left
because
my
we are
home.
giving a reason.
So I left my home.
Okay. मैंने इंग्लिश कोर्स सर्च किया और इंग्लिश पीरियड को देखा.
I searched for an English course and I found English period.
जो आज बोला आपने ना रिपीट नहीं करना बिकॉज द सेम पर्सन डिड टू एक्शंस.
Okay, sir.
कैन यू रिपीट? मैंने इंग्लिश क्लासेस सर्च की और इंग्लिश पीरियड को देखा.
I searched for English classes and found English period.
वेरी गुड. कैन यू ट्रांसफर योर माइक टू वर्षा? वर्षा, डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया व्हाट अ कंजंक्शन इज?
conjunctions join the sentences.
Okay, sentences, clauses or words.
Yes.
Do you know any type of conjunction, coordinating or subordinating?
Yes. Coordinating.
Okay, how many conjunctions are there in coordinating conjunctions?
What's it?
How many conjunctions are there? How many words are there? Like for, and, but.
They have many words like for, and, or.
Okay. मैं खाना पकाऊंगी या बाहर खा लूंगी? इसमें आपको और यूज करना है.
I will cook or eating outside.
Eat outside.
Outside.
Very good. Can you transfer your mic to Pritma? Pritma, have you attended all the sessions?
No, sir.
I'm talking about the chapter conjunctions.
No, sir.
How many sessions have you joined so far?
Maybe I left one session.
Okay, and what are the things that you learned in the last 3 days?
I learned conjunction just like for reason.
Okay, for reason. There are 3 conjunctions for reason. One is as, second is because, and third is since. क्योंकि मैं बीमार थी, मैं क्लास नहीं आ सकी.
Because I ill.
I was ill.
Because I was ill.
I couldn't.
एक सेकेंड, आपने क्या बोला था?
क्योंकि मैं बीमार थी, मैं क्लास नहीं आ सकी.
Because I was ill, so I.
सो नहीं, बिकॉज आपने शुरू में लगा दिया. वी कैनॉट यूज टू कंजंक्शन इन अ सिंगल सेंटेंस. बिकॉज आपने शुरू में लगा दिया. बिकॉज आई वाज इल, आई कुड नॉट. कुड क्या था यहाँ? मॉडल्स था. मॉडल था ना, वो यूज कर सकते हैं. आप ऑफिस में नहीं थे, इसलिए मैंने आपके पिताजी को कॉल किया.
You are not at office, that's why I call your father.
अब यहाँ पे दैट्स वाई डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कंजंक्शंस है. तो जैसे कि इसलिए कि आप ऑफिस में नहीं थे, मैंने आपके पिताजी को कॉल किया. एज लगाओ यहाँ पर, एज.
You are not at office.
As you were not in the office.
So here we can use because also.
Yes, you can.
Because you are not at your office, I called your father.
Let her try. Okay. क्योंकि कार महंगी है, मैं इसे नहीं खरीद सकता.
Because the car is.
Since जैसे कि यहाँ पर मीनिंग है ना, सिंस हो तो चूंकि, इसलिए कि, तो अज, और अगर क्योंकि हो तो बिकॉज, चूँकि कार महंगी है मैं इसे नहीं खरीद सकता, सिंस द कार इज कॉस्टली, सेकेंड पार्ट,
I cannot buy it.
वेरी गुड. Can you transfer your mic to Garima? Can you tell me some conjunctions related to condition?
There are many conjunctions related to for a condition. First is provided that,
Okay,
and suppose,
very good.
and third is
If,
if. Yes, if,
even if.
even if.
मैं आपको नहीं जाने दूंगा यहाँ तक कि आप अपना सारा प्रॉपर्टी दे दो.
I will not
Let
let
you
it
go.
go, even if
You give me.
you give me
All your property.
all your property.
अगर आप 10 वर्ड्स हर दिन सीखते हैं, आप कम्युनिकेशन में इम्प्रूव करेंगे.
If you will
If
learn,
you- if you learn.
if you learn 10 words daily, you will
Improve.
improve your communication skills.
इन कम्युनिकेशन, वेरी गुड. अगर मेरे पास 1 लाख रुपए होते हैं, मैं बिजनेस शुरू करूँगा.
If I have 1 lakh rupees, I will start
A business.
A business.
Very good. Can you transfer your mic to Anas? Anas, there are so many situations like time, place, condition, purpose. Can you tell me any conjunction in which I have to ask questions?
Sir, yes, you can ask me of any conjunctions.
Okay, can you tell me some conjunctions related to purpose?
Purpose. We first, yeah.
So that,
Sir, so in purpose we use so that and that with may
yes.
and
In order
is
to.
in order to.
मैं खाता हूँ कि जी सकूँ.
Sir, I eat that I may live.
वेरी गुड. हम क्लास आते हैं कि इम्प्रूव कर सकें.
We came to class that we may improve.
वेरी गुड. वह कमाता है ताकि वो अपने घर वालों की हेल्प कर सके.
He earned that he
earns so that.
हाँ, he earned so that he can help his parents.
His family members.
and
Very
his
good.
parents.
There are different types of conjunctions like coordinating, subordinating and correlative conjunction. Which one is your favorite one and why?
Sir, I like the subordinating conjunction most.
Why do you like them?
Sir, because we use subordinating conjunction in our daily life.
They make a sentence very impressive.
And they also make the sentence very impressive.
Okay, can you transfer your mic to Farhan? We have learned so many conjunctions. Can you tell me your favorite conjunctions? It could be anything with respect to words or type.
Sir, as my friend Anas said, same as my friend, my favorite conjunctions are subordinating conjunctions.
Okay, and what is the reason that you like them?
Sir, because they make the sentence more effective and precise.
Okay, very good. Varsa, it's your turn. आपकी बारी है. Can you tell me which one is your favorite and why?
My favorite is coordinating.
Coordinating conjunction. Okay, why do you like coordinating conjunctions?
Because it's very.
What do they combine? Do they combine dependent clauses or independent clauses? When we talk about coordinating conjunctions, what are the types of clauses? Dependent or independent? मैंने आपको बुलाया, आप नहीं आए, बीच में क्या हो सकता है? लेकिन हो सकता है.
Yes.
दोनों साइड क्या है?
Independent.
Independent. So what can be the translation? I invited you. I invited you.
And I invited you and you're not come.
बट लगेगा. जहाँ चीज़ें एक्सपेक्टेशन के उल्टा होती है वहाँ पे बट लगता है. Can you transfer your mic to? Have you studied the coordinating conjunctions
No, sir.
and all subordinating conjunctions?
I studied subordinating conjunction.
What is the function of a subordinating conjunction? What do they join, combine? Do they combine both the dependent clauses or independent
sir.
clauses?
They join a dependent clause or another one is independent clause.
Okay, I'm going to say something. जहाँ आप रहते हो, जहाँ
आप रहते हो,
ये क्या है, डिपेंडेंट है या इंडिपेंडेंट है?
जहाँ आप रहते हो,
आगे की बात क्लियर है? नहीं है ना?
Clear.
जहाँ आप रहते हो, आगे में क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ?
अच्छा,
जहाँ मीनिंग क्लियर ना, व्हेन द मीनिंग इज नॉट क्लियर, इट इज डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. जहाँ आप रहते हो वहाँ मेरा भाई रहता है, जो आप खाते हो, आगे का पता नहीं है. व्हेन द मीनिंग इज नॉट क्लियर, इट इज डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. When we talk about subordinating conjunctions, they join one dependent clause and one independent clause. Okay. So can you give me any example of subordinating conjunction?
yeah.
One sentence.
On the sentence.
Since, because, whenever, if, even if, supposing, so that there are so many conjunctions that you can use.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try. I will get back to you. There are so many conjunctions. Can you tell any of them why you like them?
Well, I like subordinating conjunction
Everyone is telling the same story.
because I like the most because there was some independent clause.
Yeah, there is a relation between dependent and independent.
clause.
In
That's why I
coordinating
like it.
conjunction, both the types are same.
Yes.
Both the clauses are same.
Yes.
Independent. But when it comes to subordinating conjunction, they join two
Independent
different types.
of clause. That's why I liked it.
Can you give me an example in a sentence?
Okay. So suppose you will.
सपोज देखो क्या होता है कि जब भी इस तरह का सेंटेंस हो ना कि आगे कोई पॉसिबिलिटी दिखाई दे रही है तो वहाँ पे ना हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट यूज करेंगे और सिंपल फ्यूचर. मान लीजिए कि आपके साथ ऐसा होता है, आप क्या करेंगे? तो पहले प्रेजेंट सिंपल यूज करना है. मान लो आपको रास्ते पे 1000 रुपये मिलता है, आप क्या करेंगे?
ठीक है.
बताओ आप.
So suppose you found a bag. What will you do?
आप देखो सपोज यू फाउंड, जहाँ अगर V2 है ना तो हम उसके साथ लास्ट में लगाएंगे वुड. अगर फर्स्ट क्लोज में अगर मान लो V1 है, सपोज यू फाइंड,
Find, yes.
तो दूसरे क्लॉज में
What will you do?
सपोज यू फाइंड.
If I use suppose we found and we would, so would लगेगा.
Yeah, suppose in the
What-
first clause if it is V2 then there would be.
What will you? What would we found?
Would.
So what will
Suppose you found, what would you?
You
है ना?
do.
Suppose you find, what will you?
do?
Okay, can you transfer your mic to Anas? Anas, summarize the class. Summarize the session.
Sir, this session is very helpful for us as we came to know about the subordinating conjunctions very well, and this will also help us to know the value of these conjunctions.
Very good. I am very happy that you used as in your sentence. That's very good. Please summarize the class.
Sir, the class was very energetic and it helped me a lot to know more about conjunctions as well. I was not aware about coordinating conjunctions.
Okay, very good. It is precise. Can you transfer your mic to Varsa? Varsa, tell me something about this class. How it was?
This class is very helpful and it increase our knowledge.
When we talk about experience of something, हमको past tense. This class was. This class is नहीं, जो चीज खत्म हो चुकी ना
This class
तो हम was लगाएंगे. Experience क्या है? गुजर चुका ना. This class was.
Yes.
We are talking about something that has already passed. This class was.
This class was very helpful and it's very knowledgeable and
Very good. Can you transfer your mic to Pritma? Yes, Pritma. Please say something about today's session. How it was.
This class was very interesting and knowledgeable as well.
Okay, you were afraid a few minutes ago. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Why it was so?
Because I
And
skipped
how
a
you
session.
are at the moment?
Because I skipped one session, so I am
Okay.
not able to answer.
It was not rocket science. It was just a practice session.
Yes, sir.
Please. Yes, summarize the class and this you will be the last person to sum up the session.
Okay, I would like to say that the session is very
session
the
was-
session was quite interesting and powerful and most energetic, and so also
Okay,
practice is
do
very
you
helpful.
would you like to join more and more sessions like this?
Yes, sure, sir.
Okay,
Definitely.
will you all?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for participating in the video session.